Hey everybody, I am here doing some more exponent rules. So we're going to be doing some breaking down of what our positive exponents are. So I am going to start off with this first problem. We're going to do 2 times 2 because we can do the multiplication of numbers as they normally would be. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then we have our bases. We have one base of an m to the second power, the other base still m but to the third power. So the rule with this is you add exponents together, 2 plus 3, and we get a finalized answer of 4m and then 2 plus 3, which is 5, so to the 5th power. Let's take a look at the next one. Do the same thing. There is no number here, so we're going to pretend like there's a 1 there. We just do the number 1 times 2, which is going to be 2. Bases are the same, it's m, so we do addition. So we're going to add 4 plus a negative 3, or just minus 3. It looks a little messy when you do it that way. And 4 minus 3 is 1, so you're left with 2 times m. And that is your finalized answer for that one. Let's take a look at another couple more on this one. And so we're going to have 4 that we can multiply with the 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then we're going to have, again, same bases. We're going to multiply. That's the product law. We're going to add those together, negative 3 plus 2. And that gives us a finalized answer of 8. And then that's going to be actually a negative 1r for the r. And then we can't just leave that, right? Because it's got to be a positive exponent. So here we're going to actually take this. Now, this is just basically a fraction. Like you just put that like that. So what we're going to do is just this portion needs to be moved down in the inverse. So we need to move it down and do the reverse of that, which is the reciprocal. So the 8 can stay where it is, but then the r is going to get moved down to the denominator, and that's going to be r, I don't know why I wrote the 1, but to the first power, or 8 over r. And that will be the finalized answer for that one. And then we do this next one. We do the multiplication, 4 times 2, we get 8. Base of n, we have 4, we're going to add that to 3, or just, sorry, negative 3, or just say minus 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1, so we'd be left with 8. And then you can put to the first power, but we don't need to do that. And that will be as good as it needs to be. If you want more questions like these, or you want to find more of these, there's going to be part 2 for this. And you can find more of these on my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. All of these can be located in the exponents section of my playlists. Don't forget to like, share, follow for more.